So today we're working on a 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350. Customer stated that they didn't have any AC, went to Walmart to pick up some refrigerant, and was instructed to install the refrigerant in the low side port. After installing 3 cans, they stated that they saw a leak that happened, and they brought it to us to look over the problem. Teardown, we found that the AC compressor had been cracked in half because the amount of refrigerant that was added and the way that they added the refrigerant actually broke the case of the AC compressor. So now, instead of just refrigerant being added to the vehicle to top off what may have been a minor leak, it is now going to be receiving a full AC kit, including condenser, expansion valve, receiver dryer, and compressor in order to correct the problem that was created by the addition of a retail refrigerant.